This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the New Orleans Investment Conference 2016. I have with me Dominique Doucet from Sirios. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is SOI on the TSX Venture. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley, to give me the opportunity to talk about our company.
And by the way, the first thing I'm going to ask you is let's talk about your company. Give us an overview of the company, and thank you for coming on.
Thanks. So I'm proud to be the founder of Sirios Resources. I did start the company 22 years ago, focusing on a specific geological potential of an area of the Quebec province in eastern Canada, and that area is the EUHE James Bay of Quebec. We see that area as a very important mining area for the province, and I've been a pioneer to explore that area. And now Sirios these days is working on a great discovery, a gold discovery, which is next door from the newest underground gold mine in North America, which is a mine that Goldcorp opened and start production last year for a year now. So we are the immediate neighbor of that mine, and we are working on a gold discovery in the making, actually.
How exciting.
Yes, it's very fantastic on many different point of view. That we're on a scientific geological point of view, it's fantastic. We are dealing with a type of deposit which is the first time we see in our province, Quebec. And so on that aspect, it's very fantastic. And on the economic side, we are, each time we work more and more on the project, we are intersecting higher and higher gold grade on the property.
Have you started the drill project?
Yes, we drill. We start with very small drilling program in late 2012, and we started to find a low grade gold halo, which extends at least 1.1 kilometer long and few hundred meters wide, and still there at 300 meter vertical depth. So that low grade halo, in each time we're adding drill hole, we start to intersect higher and higher and very high grade zone within that low grade. So now we have a set of 83 diamond drill completed with the program that we are actually working on. We drilled recently 29 additional drill hole, and most of these drill hole have result pending. There's 24 of them still pending today, and we expect that we'll be in position to release a new batch of assays in the next coming days.
What depth are you drilling?
The gold mineralization we are finding start from surface, and actually the deepest depth we reached was around 250 meter vertical depth, and it's still there.
So now you talk about Goldcorp being your most immediate neighbor, but the province of Quebec is so long been a big gold discovery province, correct? I mean, you know, you've been working this for 22 years, right? You've seen a lot in your 22 years. How does what you have now compare to what you've seen before?
I must admit that this is the first significant gold discovery of the company. Like you mentioned, the company is 22 years old. However, myself, I've been involved in the industry since I'm a teenager for 40 years now. So I started another venture in the late 80s until I created Sirios in 1994. So since that period, we create, because we are a project generator, so we create tens and tens, and if not hundreds of different projects of exploration. And we did, through the years, we did many types of fine base metal and some specialty metal like lithium or also diamond. So we spun off all these things, creating other company like DS Exploration in 2000, Calcos 4 years ago. But we spun off all the projects that were not directly linked to precious metal. And with the Cheechoo gold discovery that we have actually, this is by far the first and the most significant find we ever find.
So you have data coming out shortly.
Yes.
That will possibly change the story or give more information about the company. What do you see going down the road as you move into the next 6 months, 8 months?
Let me just a few seconds to add another information regarding, because you mentioned Goldcorp, our neighbors, but a few months ago, a very important gold producer take a position in the share capital of the company, and now Goldcorp is the main shareholder of the company, owning a bit less than 20%. They still have the right to maintain a level of 19.9% in the share capital of the company. We got also Cisco Royalties, which is an important shareholder, and also Cisco is the team that had discovered the Yellow Nor gold mine originally 12 years ago. So we have a very strong support from these shareholders, as well as also many Quebec institutional funds. And now for the next month ahead of us, what we expect, we already have good financial basis due to the recent financing we did last spring. So we are actually completing a 10,000 meter drilling program. We already drilled 7,000. We'll complete the 300,000 balance before the Christmas period. But after that, at the beginning of 2017, in the next winter, we'll start again, probably another 10, if not 15,000 meter additional diamond drilling program.
Now, you're a geologist, right?
I'm a geological engineer, yes.
Dominique, who else is on the management team with you?
Actually, I think we have a small but a very strong team. I have to mention we have a good support from the board of directors. There's Michel Bouchard that recently joined the board. He have a really good experience with a company that was taken over in friendly bid of the company was directing. So very good experience, technical and also on the market side. I have to talk about Roger, my brother. He is a technical advisor for us. I have to say that, my brother was a discoverer of gold deposit in the mid-70s. It's my roots. I was a teenager when he did important gold discovery in Quebec province, but now he's recently retired, and his last involvement was with Agnico Eagle. He did discover the Crescent Mascota deposit on behalf of Agnico Eagle. But Roger, even is retired, is working almost on a daily basis with us to develop our project. There are also there's so many important people with us, but I have to mention we have a team of young geologists. These young geologists have the same age as my own children, but they are great. They are actually putting high technology techniques into the company, and they are actually changing all the ways we're doing the work in the field, with drones, with cellular phone, and everything is digitized directly in the field. No paper, no pencil, and they are using very powerful tool. I'm thinking about 3D software, and I'm very proud to work with very young people.
What's your website so our audience can go there for more information?
Yes, for sure. Our website is www.sirios.com. Sirios is Sirios.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dominique Doucet from Sirios Resources. Symbol is SOI on the TSX Venture. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the New Orleans Investment Conference 2016. Dominique, thank you for coming on.
Thank you very much.